Hello everyone, good morning and welcome back to my vlog. So today I'm traveling from my hometown Bareilly. I came at my mom's place to Ramgarh, which is a beautiful hill station near Nainital. And if you just want to unwind yourself away from the crowded places like Nainital and all, since in summer vacation Nainital is fully booked and crowded, so people are diverting their trips to Nainital and Mukteshwar, which is like, so we are going to Ramgarh, which is like around 40 minutes drive, 30 to 40 minutes drive from Nainital. So just going there, and we have already reached Haldwani, and we can spot these beautiful mountains and just look at the beautiful roads over here. Both the sides are surrounded by beautiful greenery, green trees, and Nainital is just 32 kilometers away from this place. And I am all decked up in this beautiful cord set which I bought from Thailand, and just traveling with my family, with my brothers, bhabis, and my parents. So whenever I visit Bareilly, because Nainital is just 3 hours drive from Bareilly, so it's quite nearby. And if we travel from Delhi and Gurgaon, it takes almost 8 hours. So I always prefer coming here whenever I visit my hometown. So we took a coffee break over here. This is a beautiful cafe right after we cross Haldwani before Nainital. So it's basically in Bhimtal. So it's a beautiful cafe, and next to it is their Chai Heart Cafe. So all the chai lovers can come and sit here in this open cafe. And we are going to I Heart Cafe over here. So the coffee and all the food, the pasta, Italian, it's very famous for Italian food, and the coffee and everything, dessert and everything is really nice and famous. So most of the time we stop over here. They also have indoor sitting as well as outdoor sitting, so wherever you feel comfortable you can sit. The staff and everybody is so nice, and their desserts are a must have whenever you come to this cafe. So yeah, it's in Bhimtal, so whenever you go to Nainital or Ramgarh or Mukteshwar, so you can stop by here. Let me also show you guys the outside of this cafe. So this is all the beautiful outside sitting. How is your chocolate pastry? Good. Can I taste? So after a nice break, we are heading to our destination, which is Ramgarh, and just look at this beautiful way. It's so nice and relaxing. And just going there, suddenly it started raining and the temperature dropped to 16 degree. Just imagine, in Delhi NCR the temperature is above 45 degree, and over here it's 16 degree and very pleasant. In fact, we started feeling cold. So yeah, whenever you come here, do carry some warm clothing, especially for the kids. And we have reached our hotel. So this is the place. They have this bunk bed for kids, so they can climb these stairs and they can have a nice time. So whenever we come here, we stay at this beautiful place, and they have a private terrace over here, and just look at the scenic view from here. So we have like 2 rooms over here with the terrace, and one we have with the balcony, which is on the 2nd floor. So also I'm going to give you guys a complete tour of this place, and beautiful place. And if you guys need any more details about this hotel, then do comment below. I will give you all the details along with the pricing and all. So yeah, let me give you guys a quick tour. And this is another twin bedroom suite, you can say, or a room. So just look at the view and everything from here. So this is one bed and another bed is over here. So if you have kids and all, you can take this room. There is a TV, there is a coffee station over here. Generally you don't need any AC and fans, so they don't have any ACs and fans in the room, and you actually don't need it. No matter you come in the month of May or June, the weather is always very pleasant, but they have kept a table fan in case you feel very hot in the daytime. And just look at the view. This is the balcony. You just want to sit here for hours just gazing at this beautiful scenic view of the mountains and the lush greenery over here. So they have you sitting over here, and the rain stopped. Just look at the view. So this whole hotel or resort, whatever you can call it, is very beautiful, surrounded by greenery, flowers, all around plants. And over here downstairs they have their restaurant and their reception area, and they have beautiful sitting over here. And actually you don't need to go anywhere else if you just want to enjoy the resort. And we are going on the first on the top floor, where we have two rooms over here, the right and the left hand side, and then you get this beautiful terrace where you can sit. So this is one room, and another room is right opposite to this one. So they also have this sitting over here. They have this beautiful resort, and they have around 4 or 5 floors. So it's covered in a very big area, and I am just getting ready, and just wanted to do little bit of makeup, and then we'll be going downstairs for lunch, and I'll have a cup of coffee. So we are here at this restaurant, and the view from here is really nice and amazing. I'm this wearing this beautiful t-shirt from Skechers, and they have this sitting over here also. This whole property belongs to the same hotel. Now let me give you guys a quick tour of this restaurant. So they have this outside sitting as well, but there are lots and lots of monkeys in the daytime, so we preferred sitting inside, but right now it's all clear. So let me show you guys. They have this beautiful restaurant. The food was really nice and amazing. Tea, coffee, everything was very nice. So I had my coffee in the evening with the sunset view, and then we'll be coming back at the same restaurant for dinner, and then we'll be going to sleep. So hello guys, it's my day 2 at this beautiful place, and just heading for breakfast at the same restaurant. And this is the view in the morning. In the night it was all lit up with beautiful lamps and all. And now I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of their buffet. So they have like limited options in the breakfast, but then if you give them order, if your kids want specifically something, like we ordered aloo parathas and all, so they did it on request. But the food was really nice. They were serving puri aloo, poha, aloo paratha, omelets and all on request, coffee, tea, everything they were serving. And this is the view, which is my favorite outside. I always prefer sitting outside with this view. And yeah, just look at this beautiful place. So yeah guys, I was talking about the monkeys over here at this place. So just look at these naughty monkeys, and my son, another naughty person, playing and troubling them. मत करो ऐसे, चिढ़ाओ मत, अभी ये फिर काटते हैं. And just look at this view. All the clouds are here above the mountains, and it's so insane. The view is insane. I mean, I can sit here for hours. And I'm already in my beautiful outfit. So my lower and this t-shirt is from Skechers. So I'm carrying all Skechers lowers and the t-shirts, which is my favorites in this trip. So just wearing, and I shot few reels. And also guys, do check out my Instagram for my reels and all. I will be sharing my Insta account over here in the caption below, so do check out. Now we are going to do a little bit of tracking, and I'm going to take you guys at a beautiful place. So whenever we visit Ramgarh, we definitely come here. It's not a very like hectic trekking spot. You have to just climb little bit until you reach a very, very beautiful spot. Yeah, this is the place. So guys, regarding this trip, if you need any details, do comment below, and I am happy to answer all your queries. And I always prefer coming here. So generally on the last days, we like for a day we prefer staying in Nainital. So but this time we are not going because it's very crowded, and we just wanted to take this trip for 3 days. So we are just staying here for 2 days. Generally we go and stay in Nainital also for a day, but I make sure I come here and stay for at least 2 days in Ramgarh or Mukteshwar. because this is the real mountains. Nainital and all have become all commercial. So if you just want to enjoy nature, this is the place. And this is my OOTD for the day. And I'm loving it. I always enjoy wearing casuals, just jumpers and t-shirts and all. And just look at this view over here. We sat here almost for an hour, just looking at the nature. Ayano. So guys, from that place we came at this beautiful Airbnb, which the name is Blue Mountain. We wanted to check out. It's also for sale, and the lady who is the owner, she wanted to show us this place and just check out. It's looking so nice, the outside area and also the indoors which they have made, and it's so amazing. Just have a look and just look at the view over here. It was just hardly 5 minutes drive from our hotel. So we wanted to check out this property. It's on Airbnb and it's a 2 BHK house which you can take on rent. And just look at this place. It's so nice and amazing. This is their outside setting. It's fully furnished and amazing place if you come here with your family and you want to spend days over here. So an amazing. So guys, now we are finally back in our hotel, and just look at this, another sitting over here, beautiful garden, and these are rooms over here as well. So it's a beautiful and massive property, and generally it's always full during this season time, uh, in the summers and also in the winters. And just look at this beautiful garden with this view over here, and this is the whole property. So hello guys, it's our last day in this beautiful property, and I'm all ready. Had my breakfast wearing this beautiful outfit from Skechers. So basically it's my gym outfit, and I did a short few reels in that outfit, and then I changed to this one again. This squat set is from Skechers, and we are all ready. I'm just enjoying my last coffee at this place along with this beautiful view, and we have packed our stuff and came here for a while, then heading to Bhimtal, because before heading home we wanted to have lunch there, and also going to stay there for a while, explore a little bit, and then we'll be heading back home Bareilly. But before that, we wanted to see another beautiful Airbnb property which is around 15 minutes away from this resort. So we are just going there, and just few people, like they are my dad's friends, so they are taking us there. So it's also for sale, available for sale as well, and a lot of celebrities like Imran Khan and all, they also stay in the neighborhood, and also they have Amari Resort over here. So all this is will be shown on Airbnb. So if you want to stay somewhere here, you can look for these resorts in Airbnb. So just going to explore. It's little bit on the height, so you also have to walk a bit. You have to park your car somewhere over here, and then you have to walk. So let's go and explore the property. It's a, I think, 2-story building, and the view from there is really nice and amazing, and already you can get a glimpse of the view over here. So we are going to park our car over here, then we'll be walking, and so let's go and explore. So this is a beautiful house, fully furnished, and this is the main hallway, and then you get inside. There are rooms over here on the ground floor, then first and second floor, then they have the terrace. So let's go. So this is a small servant room, then this is a big hall, and I'm going to give you guys a quick tour of this whole property, and just look at the view. You can spend days over here. So this is their first floor, and they have this beautiful place, fully furnished. They have their drawing room over here. Then they have over here dining area, and then bedroom, then the kitchen. Everything is fully furnished, and they have furnished it so beautifully. Everything is designed so nicely. They have this balcony which is locked right now. Let's check out the second floor, and they have, I think, 2 bedrooms over there, and one room, washrooms, and the terrace. finally guys, we are heading to Nainital and I'm enjoying this beautiful weather, just inhaling all the fresh air from this beautiful nature, and we're going to stop here to grab something. So finally we have reached Bhimtal and it started to rain so heavily, and we are going to sit at a very beautiful cafe over here where the name is the Tal Cafe. I think it's the name is Tal Cafe only. I'm quickly going to show you. So we are going there, park the car. Yeah, the name is the Tal Cafe and it's located over here at the main Bhimtal mall road, you can say, the main right opposite to the lake, and must visit place because the food was super delicious. Whatever they served, be it Indian food, Italian or whatever, shakes and all, we ordered, everything was so nice. And it started raining heavily, so we came here, we sat under this shed and just look at the view. So they have us sitting over here. Hi. Good dog. Did you know? But just look at the view. Actually sat here for almost 3 hours. We wanted to explore the it was raining continuously, so we just prefer sitting here. It was a good choice. So they have very fine cafes and restaurants also. But this one was the one which I located. Owner himself was sitting here. He's from Delhi, he said, from background. So he comes here and he stays in the summer and winter break, and he himself serves all the guests who come here. And yeah, but beautiful experience over here. So whenever you guys are coming here, you can stop by here and just enjoy a beautiful view along with the delicious food. So since we couldn't go to Nainital, we are here enjoying the boat ride at Bhimtal. So getting the feel of Nainital here in Bhimtal. So we are not going to miss anything. So yeah, full 3 days we had a lot of fun, and we ended our trip with this beautiful boat ride at Nainital Lake, and it was so nice and lovely experience over here. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog, and if you did, then do subscribe to my channel for more of such videos, and also hit the like button if you liked. I'll see you guys in my next vlog. Until then, bye bye, take care and have a nice day.
पहले यहाँ मंदिर नहीं होता था?